Hey there, learners! Today we're going to learn something that's super useful and super yummy. It's called subtraction. But we're not using boring old numbers on a chalkboard. No way! We're using donuts. Yup. Glazed, frosted, sprinkled, jelly-filled, chocolate-dripped. You see, I'm sitting here in this cozy little bakery, waiting for my order to be boxed up. The smell of warm cinnamon? It's floating in the air. Have you ever been to a bakery where everything looks too good to eat? I looked down and realized something strange. The baker gave me a giant box with 8 donuts inside. That's right, 8 whole donuts. And not just any donuts. These donuts are beautiful. Bright colors, swirly icing, some even have googly eyes and smiley faces on them. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 donuts! But here's the thing. I can't eat all these donuts by myself. Well, I could, but that wouldn't be very nice. So I started thinking, what if I share my donuts with friends? But how do I keep track of how many I've given away and how many are left? That's where subtraction comes in. Subtraction is like a little math magic trick. It helps us figure out what's left when we give something away. And today, we're going to do that, one donut at a time. So grab your napkins, get your math brain ready, and let's dive into the yummiest subtraction adventure you've ever seen. Let's subtract with donuts. So, I looked at all those delicious donuts. And you know what? I decided to do something sweet. Just like the donuts, I gave one donut to my friend Sasha. She loves strawberry frosting with rainbow sprinkles. And lucky for her, that's exactly what I had. So now I'm left with the subtraction problem. That's called subtraction. We write it like this, 8-1. Subtraction just means we're taking something away. Let's count how many donuts I have left now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 8 minus 1 equals 7. That's one less donut in the box. But one more happy friend smiling from ear to ear. Sharing is sweet, and so is subtraction. Remember, subtraction is when you take something or numbers away, and we use the minus sign when we write a subtraction problem. You can see it right there at the middle. Okay, this is getting kind of funny. Everyone who walks by just loves this donut. It's like the donut has a fan club. So after Sasha happily took her donut, I was sitting there with 7 donuts. When guess who showed up? Milo and Tina. And you know what they both said? Hey, can we have a donut too? I said, of course. And I gave 1 donut to Milo and 1 to Tina. Same donut, still a hit. So now let's do our math magic again. We had 7 donuts and we gave 2 away. That's subtraction. 7 minus 2. Let's count the donuts still in the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 7 minus 2 is 5. Now I have 5 of the exact same donut left, and 3 friends walking around with big donut smiles. Okay, this is officially the most popular donut in town. I still have 5 donuts left, and yes, they still all look exactly the same. Same frosting, same sprinkles, same little smiley face. Then suddenly, boom! Huey, Dewey, and Stewie showed up. My 3 cousins! And guess what they said the moment they saw the box? Can we have one too? I mean, how could I say no? So I gave 1 donut to Huey, 1 to Dewey, and 1 to Stewie. That's 3 donuts given away just like that. Let's do some sweet subtraction. I had 5 donuts and I gave away 3. So that's 5 minus 3. Let's count what's left. 1, 2. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Now I'm down to 2 donuts. Still the exact same donut. And I've got 6 happy friends with sticky fingers and big grins. Subtraction is helping me keep track of everything. Because this donut sharing business is getting serious. All right, friends, only 2 donuts left in the box. They're still identical. I mean, I could close my eyes, pick one, and I wouldn't know the difference. I was about to enjoy one myself when, guess who rolled in on his scooter? Chomsky. Yep, good old Chomsky. He zoomed right up, looked into the box and said, "I heard there were donuts." And with those big, hopeful eyes, how could I say no? So I gave 1 donut to Chomsky. That's another subtraction moment. I had 2 donuts, gave away 1, 2 minus 1. Let's count what's left. Just 1. 2 minus 1 equals 1. Now I'm down to my very last donut. And you know what? That's okay, because this donut, it's not just any donut now. It's the last of the legendary look-alike donuts. It's special. It's earned its spotlight. And best of all, I shared with 7 friends and still got 1 left for me. Subtraction helped me keep track of every single donut that left the box, and sharing made it all even sweeter. Here, everyone has 1 donut. Yay! So remember, subtraction is taking things away, but sometimes it gives back even more, like smiles, laughter, and donut joy. We started with 8 delicious donuts and learned all about subtraction by sharing them with friends. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more fun learning adventures. Goodbye! Rabbit hops